Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Divisional Public School and Inter College, Lahore. Lecture 1, Science, Class 2. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is Miss Aisha Azhar. Today we are going to discuss Unit 5, which is about animals. Introduction. Children, as you all know, animals are living things like plants and humans. They can grow, they can breathe, they can eat, they can move from one place to another like us. Well, many animals live on earth. You must have seen many animals around you at your home, on the streets, or even around the school. Now, the word animal includes variety of creatures. It includes land animals, water animals, insects, birds. Okay, now let's talk about land animals. Land animals are those animals which live on land throughout their life. Land includes mountain, hills, plains, grasslands, etc. Children, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created many animals. Some of land animals are cat, goat, zebra, bear, cow, lion. Then comes water animals. Water animals are those animals which live in water, or animals living in water are called water animals, such as fish, octopus, jellyfish, seahorse, whale, marine turtle. Now, let's talk about insects. Dear students, insects are very small animals created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Some insects live in grass like caterpillar, grass spider, and ant. And many can fly like butterfly, fly, and honeybee. Then we have birds. Birds are called winged creature. They have two wings, one beak and two legs. Dear students, some birds fly high in the air like sparrow, eagle, etc. Some hop on the land like ostrich and peacock. As you can see in this picture, there are many nests, so birds make their nest in trees. Dear students, now let's talk about special body parts. Animals have different body parts which help them to live, find food, and move. Birds have wings to fly, as I have told you earlier that birds have two wings. As you can see in this picture, a bird is flying with the help of its wings. They have beaks to catch worms, eat grains and seeds. So their beaks help them to catch worms and insects. Dear students, ducks and frogs have webbed feet to help them swim. Web means that they have a piece of skin in between their toes. You can see the webbed feet of frog and duck. So, the webbed feet are the special body part which help ducks and frogs to swim. Then we have a giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. It can eat the leaves of tall trees. So, students, the long neck of giraffe help it to eat the leaves from the tall trees. Dear students, let's discuss the special body parts of some other animals and what they are used for. Hump. Hump helps the camel to fulfill its hunger and thirst when the food and water is not available. Then tail. Tail helps the monkey to maintain its balance, swing and jump. Antler. Antler are the horns with branches. Antler helps the deer to fight. Teeth. Teeth help the tiger to hold and tear its prey. Beak. Beak helps the eagle to catch and rip its prey. Horn. Horn helps the rhinos to defend themselves from their enemies. Trunk. Elephant uses their trunk for feeding and drinking. Feather. Feather helps the peacock to attract others. Fin. Fin helps the fish to swim. Then fur. Fur helps the bear to keep them warm. Dear students, let's have a quick recap. We have read animals are living things. Animals live on land, in water, and some can fly, which includes birds and insects. Then they have special body parts. Animals have special body parts which help them live, find food, and move. Birds have wings to fly. Then we have read that they have beaks to catch worms and eat grains. Then we have read about special body parts that ducks and frogs have webbed feet to help them swim. A giraffe has a long neck. It can eat the leaves of tall trees. Dear students, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. Now, what you have to do is, you have to read the text from your book, page 32 and 33 of Unit 5 twice thoroughly. Till the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.